Hi everyone, I've got a story to tell. Once upon a time I did a piece of fan art for the Elite Dangerous community. It was a Thargoid of my own interpretation, and I got a nice response from it. I even submitted a piece of environment art with it, and you can still see that in the sidebar of the subreddit occasionally if you're using the old Reddit layout. Anyway, tragedy struck when my primary hard drive for art-related things failed. The Great Library of Alexandria was lost and the Thargoid's fate was sealed. That is, until I remembered that I had uploaded a low-quality version of the model to Sketchfab for people to have a look at. I was able to re-download it, and now I can make things with it again. Unfortunately, the secret baby Thargoid model was not recoverable, so that's what we're doing today. I'm refurbishing the model, giving it new layers of detail and all sorts. And this is also going to be a bit of a stress test for Blender 2.8, because I haven't sculpted anything with that yet. Now for a bit of a disclaimer, I know that there are some elite fans out there who will not hesitate to try and tell me that this is not even remotely what a Thargoid should look like. They might say things like, why is it so bipedal? Why are you personifying it with human characteristics? This isn't Star Trek. Did you not see The Tall Canadian Life by William Baines from the Expo? And yes, I did. I was sitting in the front row. Speaking of which, the Frontier Expo was very fun. I got to meet a bunch of cool people. I spoke to Obsidian Ant for a bit, shook his hand, everyone was super friendly, and I'll be looking forward to the next one if they decide to do it. That was just over a year ago. I know they decided not to run one this year, but here's to hoping maybe next year. Anyway, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. The recording has been sped up 5 times to make it less painful to watch. I don't really have a solid direction for this. Just imagine a mix between a human, a praying mantis, a crab, and a poorly written B-movie script, and we'll end up with this monstrosity. So I'm gonna stop talking now and let this play out. If you make it to the end of the video, I'll see you there. So this is our result. I quite like it. It's weird and chaotic enough for me, something I would definitely have on my desk. Elite Dangerous is one of my favorite games, so I'll absolutely be doing more fan art in the future, so if you're into that, then make sure to stick around. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell, and I'll see you in the next video.